It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my goodness, you guys. I have so much to talk about. We are going to talk about the body care sale tomorrow. This is huge. $3.95, $4.95. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about Black Friday in my next video. And then I'm also going to talk about, look at these, check it out. I got my Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day 2023 hoodie. I am so excited. I'm also excited because Lenny and I got 3 new designs up on BonLeo. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I do Bath and Body Works, I do Goose Creek, I do Kringle, I do Homeworks, I do Yankee, I do a lot of different candle stuff, Tuscany. I also do body care and some other stuff mixed in. By the way, I went to Trader Joe's today. We're going to talk about that in the Black Friday video. I got all kinds of really good stuff. I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I also have paired up with my good friend, collaborator Lenny Pinna, who you've seen on the channel many times. By the way, he's loving that shave gel like so much. I wish he was here to talk about that for the men's care sale, but we have started an apparel company called BonLeo. The link is below. He helped me. So we work together really well. I am the digital artist and he is a traditional artist, and let me tell you, he is good. He knows how to put stuff together spatially and with different colors. So anyway, this t-shirt and hoodie was a collaboration that we did, Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day 2023. If you're interested, go to the site. And then I'm also going to put up real quick, oh my gosh, you got to see these. We did 3 new designs. The first one is why are there balloons coming up? This is so crazy. I don't know why. We're going to celebrate tonight. The first one is, I can't do ugly Christmas sweaters. There's a lot of people who don't like the ugly Christmas sweaters. This one is, I can't do ugly Christmas sweaters, BonLeo. So if you want to do something classy to an ugly sweater party, this is what you're going to wear. It comes in red and green. The other design, yeah, thumbs up. All these emojis. The next one, Lenny drew these poinsettias 40 years ago, and he pulled them out and he's like, I really like the airiness of these. Lenny's always drawing something. So we were able to create these digitally, and I think it's a really nice, subtle, beautiful Christmas design. So that one is now on the site. And the next one, you guys are going to love this one. It's another candle day. So we've got 2 candle days. We've got this one, and then we've got Candle Day 2023 BonLeo. And that little swoop, that's Lenny. That is all Lenny. He loves drawing the swoops. And we thought this one just looked really nice for Candle Day because it kind of looks like a candle. So we were so excited. We actually spent the last like 3.5 hours designing these new tees. Everything is very well thought out, and we're super excited. So definitely check out BonLeo. This is an extra large, by the way. It's a little bit roomy. My mom wants one, so I think I'm going to give this one to her. Although I would totally like sleep in this. It's cozy. It feels like a blanket. I actually love this sweatshirt. It's not too hot. It's not too cool. I'm going to get it probably in a large, and then I'm going to wear this thing everywhere. I'm so excited. So check those out. Also, oh my goodness, you guys, we're going to talk about the body care sale tomorrow. So this is big. You're going to want to stock up. Oh, by the way, check it out. Every order comes with a little card. I thought that was a nice touch. It's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, this is a really good deal. So tomorrow, online, you have to use the code SMOOTH. I'm hoping in store you don't need a code, because if you have a coupon, it's going to be a phenomenal deal. So it's going to be, the lotion is going to be $3.95, and then the cream is going to be $4.95. So this is a huge savings. This is going to be the lowest price for the lotion other than semi-annual sale, which by the way is coming up like next month. So a lot of people, I know you like to wait till semi-annual sale, which I completely recommend because you're going to get this stuff really inexpensively. But if you want Christmas gifts or if you want to get stuff for yourself now, I recommend doing the sale. So if you're allowed to use the coupon, $3.95 minus 20% is going to be $3.16. $4.95 minus 20% is going to be $3.96. Great deal. Includes the men's care, includes the Coco Shea, includes the aromatherapy glass apothecary jars. These are $3.95. That is crazy. This is, like I said, the lowest price of the season. So, do you buy now or do you wait? So my advice is if you want stuff for yourself or if you want to buy Christmas gifts, don't wait because you're not going to get a lower price than that $3.95, especially like on the Coco Shea and this aromatherapy. Because usually like aromatherapy day, they're going to do like $6.95, $5.95. Sometimes I can't remember if we got a $5.95. This is the Northern Brights. I got to do a full review on this. This is the eucalyptus and pine. I actually like it in the lotion. It's nice. I didn't like it in the scrub as much. I didn't get the pine. I get the pine now. I'm like, oh my goodness. This does smell really good. The eucalyptus isn't too strong, and the pine, it's a relaxing pine. So I'm super excited about this. I actually have a couple people I want to Christmas shop for. The other stuff that it's going to include are these Christmas collections. So your winter candy apple, twisted peppermint, the golden berry mistletoe, and I think I took my vanilla bean Noel. What happened to my vanilla bean Noel, you guys? It was just on the shelf because, oh, vanilla bean Noel, check it out, the foursome, right here. Let me see if I can do the lift on these. There we go. Oops, that one's backwards. I got to do this so it's pretty. There we go. So, winter candy apple, twisted peppermint, golden berry mistletoe, and vanilla bean Noel. The only one I don't like very much is the golden berry mistletoe. I don't know. It just kind of smells a little bit like, kind of like tree sap to me. I don't know. I don't like the berry note in here. It's not honestly my favorite. A lot of people liked it though. So again, this is a great time to try scents that you've like never tried before because they're inexpensive and then you can kind of gift them off if you don't like them. Vanilla bean Noel is very strong this year compared to previous years, but it's not a powerhouse. It's not going to be super strong, but I'm loving it. I've been wearing that a lot. Twisted peppermint is always a win for me. This is your kind of classic peppermint. It's creamy. I love twisted peppermint. It's my thing. And then winter candy apple is probably the strongest of the foursome. Winter candy apple has got the cinnamon in it, and it's beautiful. I'm digging winter candy apple this year. So that's that foursome. Then we have frosted coconut snowball. We have timber. Jolly Gingerbread Village, and the Bright Christmas Morning, which I've got sitting around here somewhere. Bright Christmas Morning to me smells a little bit sharp. It's got that blood orange in it, which I'm not crazy about. Frosted Coconut Snowball is a wonderful scent. I just don't love coconut, so it's kind of not my thing. But I know a lot of people are going to be buying this up because this is, I love the packaging, real popular this year. And then Jolly Gingerbread Village, it's got the timber note. It's the Yuletide timber. It's not a foodie scent. It's more of a woodsy gingerbread. And I swear it's like 50-50. Some people like it. I'm not a fan. It's a little bit too woodsy for me. I don't hate it. I like it actually better than Bright Christmas Morning in the lotion, but it's not something I love. Oh, here's Bright Christmas Morning. This is the Bright Christmas Morning. And then we have the Festive Forest Collection right here. This is going to be your fairy tale, the strawberry snowflakes, Winterberry Wonder, and snowflakes and cashmere, which I don't even have yet. I don't think I bought any snowflakes and cashmere this year, which I'm going to do tomorrow because that's one of my favorite Christmas scents. Fairy Tale is a repackage from a couple years ago. It's a good one. It's kind of interesting that they put it in the Christmas collection. This is what the lotion looks like. And then Winterberry Wonder, which is a good scent. This has got the sparkling cranberry in it, so if you want like a Thanksgiving scent. And then my favorite is the strawberry snowflakes in this collection. I love strawberry snowflakes. It's wonderful. Kind of smells like a strawberry meringue candy. And then the fourth collection is the Tufted collection. Where did that go? I just had these this morning. Yep. You're the One, Dahlia, Dark Kiss, and Champagne Toast. These are beautiful. These are super giftable, and I feel like the whole collection's like that classy perfume scent. You're the One, so many people love. Dark Kiss, I'm a huge fan. I like Champagne Toast, although it's kind of overdone. And then the third, Dark Kiss, Champagne Toast, Dahlia. Dahlia is a good one. They brought Dahlia back. But this collection is like super giftable. It's super pretty. So you might want to consider picking those up at the sale tomorrow. This morning, I talked about the men's care classic flannel. That might be one. The new Woodlands, if you want to try that. And then, of course, all the aromatherapy is included, as is like the Coco Shea. The water collection should be included. It's funny, when you click on the button, start your list, they've got 131 products. So that's a lot. So the savings here is huge. I mean, for $39.95, you're going to get 10, even if you don't have a coupon, of the body lotions. This is great if you need teacher gifts, if you need office gifts. I always buy at least 10 of these on the body care day. It's a great time to stock up, and then you have the Christmas gifts ready if you need them. So definitely check out tomorrow. It's going to be a huge day. I don't know if anything new is coming. I stopped in the store today. I didn't see anything new coming out. We're still waiting on hot cocoa and cream. Hopefully that comes out by body care day. 'Tis the season. I don't know. I'm wondering where this ballet one. I don't know. I don't know where any of this new stuff that we're hearing about is. Is it coming? Is it just like something that isn't coming? We don't know yet. We don't know anything about this. Until I see it, it doesn't exist. It's funny because we can always talk about it like it might be coming, but until it like actually hits the store, it's like, where is it? I'm really surprised we haven't seen more scrubs this year. Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel. I did get I think I got a Bright Christmas Morning scrub, but the bar soap too. We're not seeing the bar soap in Twisted Peppermint and Winter Candy Apple, which I'm surprised about. The Shapeable soap, we only have Vanilla Bean Noel right now. So there's a lot of kind of missing pieces with Christmas, but a lot of it's going to be hopefully cleared up. We got Scooby-Doo mysteries all over the place. Anyway, woohoo! I will be back tomorrow. I'm sure I'm going to have a haul. I'm so excited. Anyway, let me know what you're shopping for tomorrow. And of course, In the Stars, all the, classic ones, everything else that's not Christmas, you can stock up on, obviously, because a lot of people want, like strawberry pound cakes still around. I mean, we're supposed to be getting a new Christmas strawberry pound cake, but like any of the classic scents are going to be on sale too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Check out BonLeo. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.